You asked me about depression. Hey, dear unique, dear friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You talked to me and asked me about depression and you want a solution. I have always said that the solution is to live, you know? When you say, I want motivation, Amira, don't tell me it's not exist. Okay. So, set a goal, get up, move, learn, try, start, work, move, live. Living is experiencing and you choose. Then you come and say, I chose a path or something and it went wrong. What should I do? Well, you know, if it goes wrong, you chose and took a step. If the result is not desirable, move in another direction, my dear. You know, you can have many choices and they all have consequences. Sometimes the results, are so good or good, and sometimes not good. Don't live someone else's dream, live your own dream. You know, I've seen, some people out there who it's God, some people out there who hate what they wanted when they get it. And many people play. You just have to set up and work and go forward and experience so many different things. You have to work so much that there will no time left for depression. No time left for daydreaming or night dreaming. Dear, do you want to stop being depressed? You have to step up and work. And you asked me another question. No, you will not and never be perfect. Never. There is never a good time. You need to focus on yourself, on your life, on your path, on your goals, on your energy. You need to, consciously see how your psyche is. You need to invest time, invest money, invest energy. On your own development. And be particle. Success depends on your work, your hard work, your effort, your lifestyle. I want to tell you something. You just have to keep going. You just have to keep moving. Finish what you've started. Keep going. Keep moving. Don't give up. Never. Okay? Experience. And yeah, keep going. Thank you so much for watching my videos, listening to my videos, and write a comment for me. Okay? Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.